Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 17, Journey of a Letter. In our previous video we have completed some additional exercise, MCQ. Today we are going to start new question. Question number 2, fill in the blanks, okay. First one, a days comes to deliver letters to our house. So who comes to deliver letters to our house, students? Yes, it's a postman. So here postman will come. Now second one. In the present age, an days is used to send a written message instantly. So what we use to send written message right nowadays? We use email. Okay. So in the present age, an email is used to send a written message instantly. Third one, letters are put in a dash for being sent. So where we put letters for send? We put it in a post box. Okay. So letters are put in a post box for being sent. Fourth one, the color of the postal van carrying letters is dash. So which color, students? The color of the postal van carrying letters is red. Fifth one, a dash is done to send money from one place to another. So a money order is done to send money from one place to another. Now question 3, write true or false. First one, a pigeon was used in ancient time to send letters. This statement is true or false, students? Yes, it's a true statement. So we have to write here true. Now second one, the cell phone is a handy tool of news media. It is also correct statement. So we have to write here true. Now third one, we can buy a telephone or a cell phone from a post office. It's a correct or wrong, students? Yes, it's a wrong statement. We can buy a telephone or a cell phone from a post office. It's a wrong. So we have to write here false. Okay. We can buy it from any mobile shop, right? Fourth one, postman works as a service providing professional in our village or city. Yes, it is also true statements. We have to write here true. Now fifth one, Salman lives in Vadodara. It's a right or wrong, students? It's a false statement because Salman lives in Ahmedabad. Okay, so we have to write here false. Samira's letter started in a Vadodara. It's a correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. So we have to write here true. Now the next question. Question number 4. Match the following. Column A and column B. First one, telephone and letters. So what will come, students? Different picture, colors and cost? No. Medium for sending written message? No. It's a means of communication. Telephone and letters, means of communication. Second one, pigeons. Postmen of olden days, right? So we have to join it. Postal vans. Postal van used for dropping bags to railway station. So it will come. Stamps. Different picture, colors and cost. Fifth one, postcard. Medium for sending written message. Okay. So with the first one, D come. Second, C. Third, postal van. E, dropping bags or to railway station. Fourth, it's A, different picture, colors and cost. And fifth one, postcard. Medium for sending written message. Okay. Now question 5. Question 5. Answer the following. First one, rearrange the journey of a letter in the proper order. So what we have to do? We have to arrange this sentence in a proper sequence. Okay. So what will come first? It's a fifth one, you can see. Writing a letter with address on it. It's a first step. Okay, so we have to write in a first, writing a letter with address on it. Now second is, you can see. Third one, posting the letter in a post box. It will come in second. Now third one. Now third is, you can see, sixth. Postman packing up the letter from the post box. Okay. Now fourth one. Which is fourth? It's a 7, you can see. Stamping, sorting and packing the letters to be sent in a bag. Now fifth one. You can see it. 8. Sending the letter bag to railway station by mail van. Now sixth one. What will come in sixth? Sixth one is collecting the bags from the railway station and sending to post office. Seventh, sorting and stamping according to area of delivery. 8. Delivering letter by postman. And last, receiving and reading the letter. Okay. Now give one word answer. Sending or receiving or exchange of message. What we call it? It's a communication. A place where one can buy postcard to write letters. It's a post office. A small piece of a paper with adhesive gum on its backside for pasting on the top right corner. What it? It's a stamp. The fastest means of communication is telephones. The phones which are fixed, it's a landline, and the phones in our pocket, it's a mobile phones. Now what is communication? Communication is sending, receiving or exchange of information. Last one. What are the various ways in which one can communicate with people? Face-to-face conversation or talking, telephonic conversation, newspaper, radio, social media, letters, courier are some simple ways through which one can communicate with people. Okay students, so you have to write this exercise in your book as a homework. Okay, thank you.